Have you heard about glass skin? If you've spent any time scrolling through beauty blogs or social media lately, you've probably seen this term pop up everywhere. It's not just a passing fad. Glass skin is making waves all over the world and people can't stop talking about it. It's the latest trend everyone's raving about, from celebrities to skincare enthusiasts. The buzz is real, and it's easy to see why so many are obsessed. Instead of piling on makeup, it's all about making your skin look its healthiest, clear, luminous, and glowing from within. Imagine skin so smooth and hydrated it almost looks like glass, reflecting light and radiating a natural dewy shine. People love it because it's simple, beautiful, and celebrates natural skin. It's about embracing your unique features and letting your real skin shine through, no matter your age or background. The secret? A bit of daily care and the right routine. You don't need a shelf full of expensive products. Just a few thoughtful steps can make a world of difference. It's not as hard as it sounds. Just a few minutes each day can make a big difference. Consistency is key, and even busy people can fit it into their routine. When your skin is happy, it shows. That's the glass skin magic. You'll notice your confidence growing as your skin becomes more radiant and healthy. So, what exactly is this look and how do you get it? Is it really achievable for everyone, or just a dream for a lucky few? We're about to dive into the world of glass skin, where it came from, what it means, and how you can achieve it. We'll explore the origins, the science, and the simple steps you can start today. Stick with us, and you'll soon be a glass skin pro. Let's get started on your journey to luminous, healthy skin. Glass skin isn't just a passing fad. It's a beauty philosophy that has deep roots in South Korea, a country where skincare is more than just a routine. It's a cherished part of daily life and culture. For many Koreans, taking care of your skin is as important as eating well or getting enough sleep. It's a practice that's woven into the fabric of society, celebrated by people of all ages. In Korea, healthy, radiant skin is seen as the true foundation of beauty, and the secrets to achieving it are lovingly passed down from one generation to the next. Grandmothers, mothers, and daughters often share their favorite products and techniques, turning skincare into a family tradition that connects the past with the present. The ultimate goal: skin that's deeply hydrated, crystal clear, and naturally glowing, what Koreans call gwang. This word captures the essence of a complexion that looks lit from within, with a soft, dewy sheen that radiates health and vitality. It's not about covering up flaws or looking artificial. Instead, it's about achieving a complexion so luminous and even-toned it almost appears transparent, like a piece of smooth, polished glass reflecting the light. As Korean celebrities and influencers began to showcase their flawless, glowing skin on TV and social media, the rest of the world took notice. People everywhere wanted to know the secret behind that enviable radiance. That's when K-beauty exploded onto the global stage, becoming famous for its gentle, innovative products and a unique approach that focuses on long-term skin health, not just temporary fixes. From hydrating essences to nourishing serums, these products are designed to pamper and protect. The real magic lies in daily, consistent care, layering lightweight products, taking time for each step, and making skincare a mindful ritual. It's not about shortcuts, but about building healthy habits that pay off over time. For many, skincare is a form of self-care, a soothing ritual to enjoy every day, whether it's a quick morning routine or a relaxing evening wind-down. It's a moment to slow down, breathe, and treat yourself with kindness. That's the heart of the glass skin trend, a tradition of nourishing your skin inside and out, with patience, dedication, and a little bit of joy. It's about feeling good in your own skin every single day. And now, what started as a local tradition has become a global beauty movement, inspiring people everywhere to embrace healthy, glowing skin as the ultimate beauty goal. So, what exactly is glass skin, and why is everyone talking about it these days? If you've ever scrolled through beauty blogs or skincare videos, you've probably seen the term pop up again and again. But what does it really mean? Picture a smooth, clear pane of glass. Now imagine your skin looking just as luminous, almost as if it's lit from within. That's the essence of glass skin, a complexion so clear, even, and radiant that it almost seems to glow. Glass skin means your skin is so healthy and hydrated it looks poreless, smooth, and radiant. It's the kind of skin that reflects light effortlessly, giving off a soft, dewy sheen that's never greasy or heavy. It's not oily or greasy, but fresh and glowing from within. The look is all about a natural, lit-from-within radiance that feels as good as it looks. Think of plump, bouncy skin with an even tone and a dewy finish, like a dewdrop in the morning sun. It's skin that looks juicy, supple, and full of life, as if you've just had the best sleep of your life. The goal is skin that looks well-rested, vibrant, and naturally beautiful. It's about achieving that healthy, youthful glow that makes you feel confident in your own skin. You can't fake it with makeup alone. It's all about building a healthy foundation. True glass skin comes from consistent care, not just clever cover-ups. Glass skin celebrates progress, not perfection. Everyone's skin is unique. It's not about erasing every flaw, but about embracing your skin's natural beauty and making it the healthiest it can be. The journey is about making your skin the best it can be. With patience and the right routine, anyone can work towards that luminous, hydrated look. It's a look that's subtle, stunning, and full of life. Glass skin isn't about looking artificial, it's about letting your real skin shine through. No need to hide, just let your natural radiance shine. When you feel good in your skin, confidence follows. That's the true beauty of glass skin. It's about feeling comfortable, confident, and proud of your own unique glow. Ready to learn how to get it? Let's dive in and discover the secrets to achieving your healthiest, most radiant skin ever. Let's break down the glass skin routine. Start with a double cleanse. First, an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and sunscreen, then a gentle water-based cleanser. Next, apply a hydrating toner. Pat it into balance and prep your skin. Follow with a serum, especially one with hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. Lock in moisture with a lightweight, nourishing moisturizer. And don't forget sunscreen every morning. Rain or shine, it's essential for protection and glow. Each step builds on the last, creating a healthy, luminous base. Stick to this routine daily for the best results. It's simple, calming, and effective. With a little consistency, you'll see your skin transform. That's your roadmap to glass skin. Once your skin is prepped, makeup is just the finishing touch. Skip heavy foundation. Use a tinted moisturizer or BB cream for a sheer, dewy base. Dab a bit of concealer only where needed, keeping things light and natural. For extra glow, use a liquid or cream highlighter on cheekbones, nose, and brow bones. Cream blush adds a healthy flush, while a quick lash curl and clear brow gel frame your face. Finish with a hydrating lip balm or glossy tint. The goal is effortless radiance, makeup that enhances, not hides. Let your real skin shine through. Keep it simple, fresh, and luminous. That's the secret to glass skin makeup. Easy, right? The right products make all the difference. Start with a gentle oil cleanser. Jojoba or grapeseed oil are great choices. Follow with a soothing foaming cleanser, like one with green tea or rice water. For hydration, look for serums with hyaluronic acid or niacinamide. Snail mucin is a Korean favorite for repair and moisture. Choose a moisturizer with ceramides for a strong skin barrier. Gel formulas work well for oily skin. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Korean or Japanese formulas are lightweight and effective. For extra care, use a gentle exfoliating acid once a week and treat yourself to a hydrating sheet mask. These tools help you achieve that plump, glowing look. Use them wisely and consistently. Your skin will thank you. Before you go, here are some top tips for glass skin success that you can start using today. Hydrate from the inside. Drink plenty of water every day to keep your skin looking fresh and plump. Be consistent with your routine. Results take time, but they're worth it in the end. Treat your skin gently. No harsh scrubbing or rubbing, just kindness and care. Listen to your skin and adjust products as needed for the best results. Remember, everyone's skin is different. Find what works for you and embrace it. Glass skin is about celebrating your natural beauty, not hiding it away. Healthy, glowing skin boosts confidence and feels truly amazing every single day. It's a timeless look rooted in self-care and self-love. That's why we love glass skin. It lets your true self shine through. Ready to glow? Go for it and enjoy the journey.